how to enable WPS on a Huawei router. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to figure out how to enable WPS on your Huawei router, the process is actually pretty simple. WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup lets you connect a device to your Wi-Fi without having to type in the password. It's commonly used for things like printers, smart TVs, or other devices that don't have an easy way to enter long Wi-Fi keys. So how do you turn it on? First, take a look at your Huawei router. On the back panel, you'll usually find a row of Ethernet ports along with some small buttons. What you're looking for is a button labeled WPS. Sometimes the WPS button is a small recessed pinhole similar to the reset button. In that case, you'll need a paper clip, SIM pin, or even the tip of a pen. If you see a button clearly labeled WPS, then you can simply press and hold it. To enable WPS, press and hold that button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You may see a light start flashing, which means WPS is now active. On some models, instead of being on the back, the WPS button might be on the side of the router. In that case, it usually looks like a regular clickable button. Again, just hold it down for a few seconds until it activates. One thing to keep in mind is that WPS doesn't stay active forever. It's only enabled for a short period, usually a couple of minutes, and then it automatically turns itself off again. That's for security reasons. So once you press the WPS button, make sure to connect your device immediately during that window. After it's done, your device should be connected to the Wi-Fi without you ever needing to enter the password. And that's all there is to it. Enabling WPS on your Huawei router is quick and easy once you know where to find the button. And with that, that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.